Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tabshi Tech and Reviews. So in today's video, let's quickly see how to change battery of AirTag. So if you have a AirTag, something like this, let's quickly see how to change this, and all the location that was previously shared will be reset for others. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's get in the video. So yeah, it's simple to change the battery. You don't have to do much. This is the AirTag which I have. So if you see on the back, you can just press and twist it counterclockwise, and this should open up. And here you can see the battery. It's CR2032. That's a battery they are using, coin size battery. So you can just replace it with any other battery as well. The brand they are using here is Duracell. We all know Duracell batteries come for a very long time. So if you want, you can use the Duracell battery itself, or you can go with any other battery as well. No issues, and it comes for a very long time as well. So after that, you can just connect it. So there are 3 pins. One is on the bottom and 2 are on the sides. So if you just hold it like this, you should hear us. You should hear a sound something like that it's connected. Now you can just put this thing back, and clockwise you can rotate it, twist and rotate it, and that's how you can connect it back to this AirTag. And now you can use it again with your device and start tracking. So yeah, that's all in this video. Hope you all like the video. If you like the video, please do the like button, subscribe, comment. Let's catch you in the next video. Until then, see you, bye.